In this video, I'll show you how to create a slice cut transition effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. This transition cuts your frame into multiple slices that move apart to reveal the next clip, creating a sharp and powerful scene change. It works great for action videos, sports edits, trailers, and fast-paced content. Let's get started. First, place your two video clips on the timeline and make sure they touch at the cut point where you want the transition. Now go to the effects panel, search for slice, drag and drop it between your clips. Now select the transition and open effect controls. Here are the most important settings. Slices controls how many strips your frame is divided into. Increase the value to create more slices. Decrease it for fewer, bigger slices. Angle controls the direction of the slice cuts. Change it to create horizontal, vertical, or diagonal slicing. Distance controls how far the slices move apart. Increase it for a more dramatic reveal. Decrease it for subtle movement. Delay controls the timing gap between slice movements. Increase it for a cascading effect. Decrease it so all slices move more together. Burn amount controls the intensity of the glowing slice edges. Increase it for stronger glow. Decrease it for a cleaner cut. Burn thickness controls the thickness of the slice edges. Increase it for thicker edges. Decrease it for thinner sharp lines. Motion blur controls how smooth the movement looks. Increase it for more cinematic blur. Decrease it for sharper movement. Use a shorter duration for a fast aggressive cut. Use a longer duration for a more dramatic slice reveal. For best results, sync the transition with an impact sound or beat drop. And that's it. That's how you create a slice cut transition effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials.